Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the ASMODUS Colossal. So this is a single 18650 80-watt device from ASMODUS, and it also has the WOTOFO Flow Plus, the Flow Pro mesh sub-tank on it. It's like a combination between ASMODUS and WOTOFO. Let's dive down to the table, take a look at it, and I'll tell you what I think about it. All right, this is the ASMODUS Colossal 80-watt. So this is a single 18650 device. You got a nice large screen in the front here. You got your concave fire button here. You got a little bit of decoration on here, which adds to the grip. Your battery door. You got venting in the bottom. All right, pull this off. Take a look at the 510. This is the tank that comes with the kit, and the tank is actually a WOTOFO. What do they call this? Pro tank? Flow tank, Flow Pro, WOTOFO Flow Pro on the ASMODUS. Screw that back on. Really fits together nice. Looks nice together. That drip tip is just beautiful. All right, take a nice slow look at that. Really like that drip tip. It is 810. All right, let's show you the battery here. Pop this off, and this is just pressure fit. All right, there's no real. Looks like a little bit of a bump over here, like to grip it. There is your micro USB, by the way, inside, hidden in there, okay? So you don't have to see that on the outside. This goes on, and once it goes over that darker area, it just pressure slides on like that, and it is really on there tight. It's not coming off at all, okay? But you don't have to see your charge port there. It is actually inside. And if we take a look at the menu, all right, so 1, 2, 3, and it's locked. 1, 2, 3, and you're unlocked. Now the screen here, as you can see, is locked. Sliding to the side and up and down is just going to tell you that you need to slide to unlock. Slide down from the top to unlock it, and then you can click on power, and then you can adjust your power with the touchscreen. All right, pretty decent speed scrolling there. Bring it back up to 50. Sorry, no, you can't see that. Fire gets you out of that. All right, you see on the bottom it says H. That's for how you're hitting, soft, medium, hard. Swipe up, and you can see that change. Normal, hard, soft, normal. All right, swipe to the side. It's still in the power mode there. Let's swipe to the side from the top of the screen, and you can switch between temp, curve, TCR, TFR, power mode. All right, and I'm not going to go into all the training here, but you can go into temp. You can change your wattage here. You can go from toggling between your temperature and your wattage and change that. You actually hold down on the temp for a few seconds, and then you can choose between different materials, different types. Fire saves it. Click on here to change the temperature, then you hold down on the temperature, then you can change your temperature. So pretty simple, and I love this swiping back and forth between modes here. Really nice. Fire, and you're done, and you're locked in. And that's pretty much it. Nice and simple, works really well. You know I showed you the inside here, but let's pull out the battery just to show you. It's a bit of a tight fit, but you have your spring-loaded negative connection on top, all right, and your positive connection on the bottom. So you put your battery in through the top, pop it in, drop that on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ASMODUS logo, and you're ready to go. All right, so really nice fit and feel around it. I'm not going to pull the tank apart. Like I said, it's pretty standard. It is a twist to open to fill on the top, all right, and standard mesh coil inside. Airflow control, 1, 2, 3 slots. You can notice as if my hand just happens to touch every once in a while, you get the message about slide to unlock. So, if you just happen to be touching it, it just does that to let you know, slide down to unlock it. And then you can switch between your modes again. Get to the mode you want, hit the fire button, and vape. And there you go. Let's go back up on top after I get you some specs, and we'll talk about it. All right, so where do we start? Well, I like how the door is on here. I like that it's just a tight, nice fit on there, nice and easy to get to your battery. I like when it's exposed like this. You have a lot of room to move around. The door stays on rock solid, not going to have any problems. You got the venting on the bottom. The button is like the opposite. Instead of having a protruding or outward button, you actually have a concave button, which is actually a nice feel. I have, maybe that's an OCD thing of mine. When you have a button like that that's concave, I just find constantly just putting your finger in there and touching it. I don't know why. That's a little weird and too much information. Screen is really nice. It's using what a lot of a few other ASMODUS devices use with the touch screen. Slide down, then you can unlock, change your wattage, stuff like that. I really like it. Just to fit in the hand, you know, it's standard size for a single 18650 device, but it just fits really nice in the hand. The finish on it is really good. I really like that finish. I think that'll last a long time. It's kind of hard to tell until you use it for a long time, but it just feels nice. That they didn't make this perfectly smooth and actually put a little bit of design on there just adds to the grip, which is nice. The tank, the WOTOFO Flow Pro sub tank, it's just a standard you know, mesh sub tank. It's nice, it does its job well, nothing amazing about it, nothing bad about it. I really like the drip tip that comes on it. I think that's really a beautiful drip tip on there. And overall, the whole thing just works good together. Vaping it on their recommended 50 watts of power in the high mode, and the vape is good. Everything about it's nice. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to find anything amazing, but if you're looking for a single 18650 device, standard battery life pretty much on it, but you know, with a really nice screen, nice firing button, it just feels solid. It feels like a well-made good mod. So I'm really enjoying it. So there you go. That is, oh, by the way, we forgot something. I got one for a giveaway. Thanks to ASMODUS for sending in a second one of these that we're going to do in a giveaway. We do giveaways for the Patreons at the end of the month or beginning of next month. We do a giveaway for everything that's built up throughout the month because YouTube with their giveaways is kind of questionable right now. So we're going to take this and throw this in the TARDIS with all the other giveaways for this month, and it's building up in there. I'd say probably got about 5 items in there, 6 items right now for giveaways. Once again, like I said, if you're looking for a nice, small, solid, well-made device, a single 18650, the ASMODUS Colossal 80 watt may be for you. Go ahead and click on the link below, check it out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.